Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kinsley Armelle by Christy, and we have our latest version of the level 3 subscription service from Kinsley Armelle. This is the March version, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. And let's see what we have this month. As always, you get your packing information that has your return form should you find anything you don't like. It comes in the tin as always. And we have a pink jewelry bag today. And our jewelry bag contains dun, 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 a beautiful stone collection bracelet. It is gold in color, and this is the Stone Collection Royal Bracelet. It sells for $29.99. So this is the first piece. Then our next piece is going to be a very pretty beaded bracelet. This is from the Keystone collection. It is in the color they call Royal. This is also the color Royal. So this is item number 2 in this set, which you can see how they pair nicely together. And then the third and final item in this collection is the Tawny Bracelet, which is the Cypress Bracelet, which is in the color collection Tawny, and this one's $29.99 as well. So this is the stack this week. We have the Cypress Collection Bracelet for $29.99, and if you use coupon code C515, the price actually goes down from $29.99 to $25.99. This is the Stone Collection Royal Bracelet, $29.99. It goes down to $25.49. And then last but not least, we have this, which is the Keystone Bracelet. And the Keystone Bracelet retails for $25.99. So the price goes down to $22.09. Now, if you watched my February video, you're going to notice that this color combination is very similar to the wine bracelets that we had last month. So I'm assuming they're going to pair very nicely. And as soon as I get this one on, I'm going to show you that. So they're calling this color Royal, but this is the raspberry wine color from the lot we got last month. So, and look, it pairs so nicely. So I can actually take all of my raspberry wine bracelets that I got in my March and pair them together. Now these stones are a little off-white. The collection that we got in January was like pure white, so they're not going to go as well. But I could just stack this bracelet way up. This is another Stone Collection bracelet that I had in my collection. If you look, the beads look a little more similar in texture to this other Stone Collection bracelet. And I also have this bracelet that I could pair well. And if I really wanted to, this one's more white in color, but I could probably even pair this one. So that's one heck of a stack. I really will say that these are this one, and this one were the March collection, and these two are the February collection. And I think that they go so nicely together that I see myself using this big stack in the future quite frequently. I'm going to put my coupon code and all of the links or names of the bracelets below so you can go ahead and find those. Happy shopping! If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like us below. Follow me on Instagram and on my blog using the links below. Shop bit.ly/Kinsley Armelle for my affiliate link for the Kinsley Armelle jewelry. And don't forget to use code C515 for 15% off. Thanks and happy shopping!